Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to unbox our latest juicer from Kuvings, the premium whole slow juicer. So now that we have unboxed everything, let's assemble all the pieces together for our next step. So we have now finished our assembly. Let's put some oranges to see how it works. So let's turn this on, put the switch to forward mode, and let's see how it squeezes the oranges and gives us the original juice. So now we've got some orange juice ready. You can also use this juicer to squeeze the carrots, bananas, and some other fruits as well as you like. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos from us. Thank you.